If your condenser unit outdoor temperature sensor is malfunctioning, it can totally mess with your air conditioning system's performance and efficiency. So, first, make sure you actually confirm the sensor is faulty before doing anything else. You can test it with a multimeter to check if the resistance changes when the temperature changes. If it's stuck or giving weird readings, you gotta replace it. When you're ordering a new sensor, get one that matches your specific condenser model, because compatibility is key. Before swapping out the sensor, turn off the power to your unit. Safety first, you know? Next, locate the old sensor, which is usually clipped near the coil or mounted on the outdoor unit's frame. Carefully disconnect the wires without yanking them too hard, then remove the sensor. Attach the new sensor by connecting the wires exactly like the old one was set up, and clip it back in place. Once everything is secure, turn the power back on and check if your system is responding better and keeping the right temperature. One of the biggest problems with condenser unit outdoor temperature sensors is buying the wrong replacement part. People don't realize how many different sensors there are, so double check your model number before ordering. Another common issue is not properly securing the new sensor, which can cause false readings or damage, so make sure it's clipped firmly but gently. Lastly, forgetting to turn off the power before handling electrical parts can be super dangerous and might fry your system or cause injury. Always cut power first, and if you're unsure, call a pro. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about HVAC repairs and replacements. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors to find new work and build their reputation in their community.